Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to make the cable stitch. So this is a pretty stitch where you get this diagonal spike stitch coming across groups of stitches to create this lovely looking cable-like look. So to start this stitch you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 4 plus 2 plus 1 for your turning chain.
Okay, so I've gone ahead and marked the first chain for my hook because my turning chain is going to count as a first stitch of the row. And then to make the cable stitch, we're going to start in the third chain from our hook, make a single crochet, and then make a single crochet in every stitch across. So row 1 is just all single crochet. We'll be starting our cable stitches in row 2. But there's going to be a row of single crochet between every cable row, and that's just so we keep all our cables running in the same direction on the front of our fabric. Okay, so single crochet in the last stitch, and then we're going to turn, chain 1, and we're going to make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch of the row. Just grab my stitch marker. Okay, we're going to skip the next stitch and then make a double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. If we made our 3 double crochet, we need to make our cable. So you want to yarn over. We're going to go back to the skip stitch, insert your hook into the loops, and then yarn over and pull that yarn all the way across. Your cable needs to come all the way across the front of these 3 double crochet, plus a bit more because it's our next stitch, but we don't want to pinch these stitches together. Okay, so once you've done that, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, so you're finishing it like a double crochet stitch. And if this cable gets twisted, well, that's okay, just run a nail down and it will untwist. And the reason you need to do it as a double crochet is if you don't, then these top 2 loops is going to split your cable, so when you work into the next row you're going to end up with a stitch in the middle there, which we don't want. So you need to do this as a double crochet cable. Once you've finished your cable, skip the next stitch. Your cable stitch is not sitting on top of the stitch here, it's this stitch here, because everything else is slanting down because there's no chain 1s. Okay, so if that doesn't make sense, don't worry about it. It will only really matter when we get to the end of the row. So we'll come back to that. So that's the stitch your last double crochet was in. We skip the next stitch, make a double crochet in the stitch after. Okay, so there'll be 1 skip stitch between the double crochet stitches you're making. So double crochet in the next stitch, and then double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches as well. Okay, so after those 3 stitches we need to make another cable. Yarn over, go back to the skip stitches, work into the loops. You push your hook through both loops, bring hook right across the back, grab that yarn, yarn over and pull through. And you need to stretch it across, all the way across those 3 double crochet to the other side, without anything pinching. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and get this nice cable. Again, if it twists, don't worry about it, just twist everything out, push a nail down the middle, and they will straighten out. Okay, and then when we get the next step, skip the next stitch after the last double crochet and make a double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to go back to the skip stitch and make a cable. Yarn over, insert your hook into the loops, You're not working into the space, you're working into the loops, and pull up that cable so it goes across the front of all 3 double crochet but doesn't pinch. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And just run a nail down if you need to untangle them. Okay, so you're going to repeat that across your row until you have 1 stitch left. And this is where me saying that this cable does not count as a stitch over the top of this skit one comes in. So each repeat is 4 stitches. You've got the cable and 3 double crochet. But that first double crochet is actually sitting above the skip stitch because everything is leaning over, which means this last stitch of the row is available, and into the last stitch you're going to make a double crochet. So if you see your double crochet stitches leaning a little bit, that's okay, they're meant to. And that is row 2 of the cable stitch. So we want all our cables to run in the same direction. So we need to put a row of single crochet in between. Otherwise, if you made another row of cables above this, your cables will not be slanting this way, they will slant this way. So to keep everything looking the same, turn, chain 1, make a single crochet in the next stitch. So that first stitch counts as your first stitch of the row, and then make a row of single crochet in each stitch across. Okay, so on the back you've still got cables. They look very similar to what's on the front. So your cable comes through on both sides. Okay, and just single crochet in every stitch across. So you're going to have the same number of stitches in every single row. Another single crochet and single crochet in the last stitch of the row as well. Okay, so that's the back of your cable and that's the front of the cable. So to continue with this stitch, you're going to repeat rows 2 and 3.
And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the cable stitch. I would love to see what you make with this stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbit and Stitch. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, patterns and hints and tips as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time for the next video. Bye for now.